Hello and welcome back to another exciting video on nails. Greetings of the day, depending on your time and location. Hey guys, this video is part to the lot of beautiful nails ideas that you definitely fall in love with. Trust me on that. So if you're just coming across my channel for the first time, or you have been watching my videos but you haven't subscribed, please do join us today. Okay, subscribe, turn on your bell notification so that you'll be getting notification whenever we upload a new video. Thank you as you join us. Guys, just like said, this video is packed with a lot of beautiful and unique nail art designs for my ladies. Here you get to see medium-sized nails ideas. Here you see more medium-sized nails. You also see short nails. Yeah, they are looking so beautiful. Of course, they're in different shapes and designs. Beautiful nail art designs on each of the nails. So as to wash, do select your most loved ones and ensure to wash from beginning to the end. Do not miss any slide. For all the slides are so beautiful, like they are mind-blowing, and you can't afford to miss any of them. So wash, like, and comment. Okay, we'll be trying any of these nails. Just let us know in the comment section. Remember that this channel got to cover when it comes to most stylish and trending nails ideas and hairstyles. So if you're looking for a beautiful hairstylist, why not go into our channel? We got it covered. Just go and explore beautiful designs on our channel, and remember to like our videos. Also share to your family and friends. Thank you so much, my ladies, and see you guys in our next video. Remember to like and share this video. Bye.